Hello everyone, how have you been? I know it's a long time. So many days I couldn't upload videos, but yes, I had uploaded a short, YT short. So I hope you'll watch that. If not, then do watch it. The link is in the description below or somewhere in the I card you'll get it. So please do watch it. And yes, coming to today's video, it's a craft haul. So I had been to a craft shop recently, that is ITSY, and you might see the link, not link, sorry, you might see the logo somewhere here. And before continuing, let me tell you, this is not a promotional video, this is not a sponsored video. And I just wanted to share all the things with you all. I just wanted to show you all what all I bought. So yes, that's why I'm making this video. And ITSY, it's not like it's only in Mysore. It's almost, it delivers everywhere in India. It also has an app. So I'll put that link also in the description. So you all can download it and order from there. It is also on Amazon. All the ITSY craft items are on Amazon. So you can check that out as well. Still, if you have any other questions related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. So now let us start with the craft haul. So first, let's go with these things. Okay. So first thing is, this is jewel bond, that is crystal and stone setting glue. That is your jewelries, but mainly the artificial ones or white stone ones and all. The stones might come out, and mostly all those type of jewelries, to stick those things. This is the glue, and some of my like jewelries, white stones, small stones have come out. So for that, I feel this is better. And also when you're making something also, that will be better. So when you're sticking a white stone to some handmade jewelry, you can use this. So jewel bond. I'll keep this here itself. Then next is silicone glue. Recently I had put up a video of notice board, that is order organizer. You can see the iCard somewhere here. For that I had used double-sided tape, but it is not so strong actually. It won't keep it like for a long time. So when I was making another one, I tried with hot glue gun, but never ever use hot glue gun on foam or this thermocol, because it will melt or I don't know what to say, but it is not good for that. So never use hot glue gun on such things. So for that I bought this one, that is silicone glue. I'll put the image somewhere if you want. So that is one thing I got. So next thing, let's come with this one, that is double-sided tacky tape. I always wanted a thin one, because whenever I tried to search, I got thick ones. Even though it is not the main double-sided tape, it's the thick one, but mainly even the thin one, I got the wider one. I didn't get this type. Finally I got this in ITSY. So yes, I bought this one. So this is the double-sided tape which I have used mostly on everything. So yes. And coming to next, I don't know if you all can see what is written here. If you all can see, then let it be. If you all can not see, then try to guess what this is. Let me hide it. I don't know if you all have already seen it, but yes, I think you all might guess it as maybe double-sided tape or cello tape, something like that. But this is actually magnet. It can be cut with scissors and you can stick it. So yes, this is magnet, a thin magnet, which I'll be using soon in one of my crafts. So you get to know. So this is one thing I bought. Then next, let's go to this one. This is a transparent elastic wire I bought, like to make bracelets and necklace and all. So I think I always wanted to buy this from a long time. Long back I had bought and I made some bracelet and all. So After that, I never bought this one. So yes, this time I bought this. So here you go. After that, I bought 3 of these. This is, most of you might know if you will use craft items. It's like just one strip. This whole thing is stuck together. One whole strip is stuck together. And from back side also you can just, it's like a sticker, you just take it out and stick. But in case you don't want the whole thing, you can cut out. If you want only 3 of these, then you can cut until 3 of it and stick it. So yeah, this one, bigger pearl one and the small cute pearl one, and this is a white stone one. So yes, I bought all these. So these 3 I got. Then let's go to the next one, that is these clips. If you might have seen, mostly in decorations and all, they use the serial lights, and along with that they hang the photos. So these are the clips they use. This can be used for many other crafts. So yes, I'll make some crafts using these also. So you'll get to know. And the next thing I bought is these lace and ribbons. So this lace is like maybe when you make an explosion box, the cap, you can stick it in the sides of the cap, so it'll look good. So something like that. So yes, I got this. And next is these. Obviously from fire you might not know, but yes, these are the, okay wait, yeah, this is Velcro dots. You might obviously have used a lot of things that has Velcro in it. So yes, these are just circle patches, so you can just take it out and use on something. So yes, I got 2 of it. Let me keep it here. And next is, I bought these buttons, cute colorful buttons. I love this. So yes, obviously I'll make something using this. I'm very happy. So it's like I'm going to make a lot of things using all these. So be ready to watch a lot of different things soon. Nothing new. Obviously I won't make something that's already been made and like that. I'll make my own ideas and come up with good ones. So please watch all my videos even after this, the next videos as well. So yes, these buttons I bought. And coming to the other ones, I bought these beads. These can be used for earrings and all. You can see this. I bought 4 of this type, the green one, and I bought 4 of this type, the small brown and white ones. So yes, these are the ones. And also I bought some different shape beads of this silver type, that antique silver type. So yes, and also I bought other 2 types. That is, one is this red one. I'll put a pic maybe somewhere here, or when I use it you'll get to know. So this is like, this red ones are like rose one, and this black ones are normal, just with design. So yes, this one. Next, these hooks, which you can use for earrings, of course. So yes, I bought these. I wanted to buy these from a long time because I was short of it. I made a lot of earrings, so it got over, so I didn't have any. So yes, I bought these. Yeah. And next, I bought these ice cream sticks, using which you can make a lot of crackers. So, and also I will make ice candies. So by chance I make it, I'll surely put a video of it. But in my second channel, that is Sushi's World, you will get the link in the description box. So do subscribe to that channel as well. You'll have fun watching my videos there. So yes, these are ice cream sticks I bought. So, this smiley. I had the smiley one. Then next one is these glass colors. You will get to see a video soon. Not very soon, but yes, you will get to see a video using this one. So I'll show you that anyways. And yes, so this is the glass colors I bought. I don't know if you can see, but yes, I'll put a pic of all these at the end so you can see that. So yes, this is done. I don't have space on my table. Anyways, let me keep this here. And next, I have got these butter paper. Mainly the butter papers you get locally is not the actual one. Like it is a butter paper, but it is a bit different. Like recently, I put up a video of making a badge type for Independence Day time, I guess. So that one you might get somewhere iCard or maybe in the description. For that, I had to make that round thing on the baking paper and then take it out. That didn't come out so well because that baking paper was not the one which actually I had to use. The baking paper also got torn a bit when I was removing that. So yes, I think and so this is the actual baking paper I should have used that time. So yes, if you all have already seen that video or if you are going to see that video, then do use these baking papers. I'll put all the links in the description. So this is done. And the next one I bought was similar to that elastic one, but this is not elastic. This is called the craft wire. It's very thin, very thin. It's like metal wire. It's not metal wire, but yes, it's a craft wire which is black color. So yes, I bought that one. Mostly you can use this for very small bits that very small holes. No, it won't. You can't put it in this one. This is a bit thick. So yes, that can be put in this. It's very thin. So yes. And finally, last but not the least, this is the big one. I bought this thermophone so I can make some nice cap of this. I hope you like this craft haul. Let me know if you want more such videos. Obviously, I'll make whenever I buy some good craft stuff. So I'll take a leave now. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And yes, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.